Firstly, section off the top of the hair and secure with a clip. This will allow for more accurate visibility of the shape through the sides and back. Use a hairdryer to dry off the back and sides. This will help achieve a cleaner cut with the clippers. Using the number 4 guard, remove initial weight from the middle of the sides and back. Ensure to angle the clippers away from the head to leave maximum weight at the top. Now using a number 2 guard, remove more weight from the nape of the neck to the occipital bone. Create your first blend line approximately 1.5 inches up from the hairline. Remove unwanted hairs and clean up the section. Repeat for the sides approximately 1 inch from the hairline, angling upwards towards the temple. Now use the foil razor underneath the blend line, applying less pressure as you work in an upwards motion. With no guard and the taper lever set all the way back to 0.75, remove approximately 1 cm of weight above the blend line, with the clippers moving outwards away from the head to create the taper. Now starting with the taper lever set to 0.5, begin to remove the initial blend line, whilst you gradually apply more pressure to the lower areas and adjusting the taper lever as you progress. Repeat this technique to remove the second blend line using a number 1 guard attachment. Now refine the blend using a 0.5 guard attachment. Repeat these steps to remove the blend at the sides using a number 2 guard to remove initial weight above the blend line, then refine the taper with a combination of a number 1 guard and a 0.5 taper lever. Use trimmers to create a crisp line around the hairline. Spray down the weight at the sides before over-directing the weight of the sides to connect with the blend. This leaves maximum weight towards the top to create the desired loose and heavy shape. Unclip the top and spray down. Then, using loose sections, direct the hair back and cut to desired length, making sure to over-direct the final fringe section back further to retain weight in this area. Take an angled section and connect the length at the top to the sides and crown. Direct the fringe forwards and down to cut to the desired length, working round to connect into the weight at the sides. Check your shape by loosening the curls and allowing the natural shape to take hold. Using your favourite curl cream, apply to damp hair to enhance the natural curls and texture.